I was working on The World is Flat and was interviewing the chief economist at the IMF, and told me he was on the board of a company called HeyMath, and we used it as an example in the book of how global companies are in a flat world. Company based in India, providing educational services for schools and school systems all over the world, leveraging both Indian brain power and Cambridge University at the time. Are you still involved with them, Nirmal? Yeah, yeah. And so I put them in the book, and no sooner did the book come out, and I got an email from Nirmala saying that's us, you know, and we've become friends ever since, and they've been a great source of insight for me in the world of education. I'm fascinated by what they've been doing, and certainly can vouch for their quality control.